A year of victories for Ripple. If there's one cryptocurrency making waves right now, it's Ripple, XRP. From beating Gary Gensler's relentless SEC lawsuit to launching a game-changing stablecoin and influencing US politics with multi-million-dollar donations, Ripple is positioning itself as a major player in the financial world. But what does all this mean for the future of XRP? Let's break it down. Understanding Ripple, the basics. Ripple was founded in 2012 with a bold mission to revolutionize international payments. Today's banking system is slow, expensive, and clunky, relying on a web of intermediaries that hike up fees and cause delays. Enter RippleNet, a network that facilitates nearly instant cross-border transactions at a fraction of the cost. Here's a quick cheat sheet to understand the Ripple ecosystem. Ripple, the company behind the technology. RippleNet, the global payment network that banks and financial institutions use. XRP, the cryptocurrency that provides liquidity and enables fast transactions. So far, billions of transactions have flowed through this system, and XRP has been in circulation since 2012. But while some investors wrote it off as a stuck asset, things are now changing fast. Ripple's legal triumph and the birth of a stablecoin. A landmark decision. A federal judge ruled that XRP sales to retail investors did not constitute securities transactions, marking a massive win for Ripple. This clarity allowed Ripple to move forward with a major new initiative. The launch of Ripple USD, RLUSD, a fully backed, highly regulated stablecoin. Unlike existing stablecoins like Tether, USDT, and USD Coin, USDC, RLUSD is backed by strict regulatory oversight from the New York Department of Financial Services, NYDFS, giving it legitimacy that could attract major banks and institutions. Why does Ripple need a stablecoin? While XRP is great for fast, low-cost transactions, it's still volatile. RLUSD provides stability, making it perfect for settlements and everyday transactions. And in a time where governments are cracking down on unregulated stablecoins, RLUSD could emerge as a preferred choice for financial institutions. Ripple's political power play, crypto, isn't just about technology. It's about regulation and politics. Ripple has been making big moves by funding Fairshake, a pro-crypto political action committee, PACI, with $75 million in donations. The goal? To elect lawmakers who support crypto-friendly regulations. This is a major strategic move that could help Ripple secure regulatory clarity and mainstream adoption. The next big thing, XRP ETF. The biggest catalyst for XRP's potential price surge, the XRP Exchange Traded Fund, ETF. We've already seen what happened when Bitcoin ETFs were approved. Bitcoin skyrocketed. Now asset managers like WisdomTree, Bitwise, and 21 Shares are trying to launch an XRP spot ETF. If BlackRock enters the game, an XRP ETF approval could be inevitable. What would an XRP ETF mean? Easier access for institutional investors, increased mainstream adoption, potentially massive price appreciation, just like Bitcoin. Why XRP could become more valuable. 1. Compliance with global banking standards. XRP is one of the few cryptocurrencies compliant with ISO 2022, the new international standard for financial transactions. By 2025, banks worldwide must adopt this protocol, meaning XRP is already positioned as a future-proof payment solution. 2. Ripple's on-demand liquidity, ODL. Traditional cross-border payments require banks to hold large amounts of foreign currencies in pre-funded accounts, tying up hundreds of billions of dollars. XRP eliminates this need by acting as a bridge currency, freeing up liquidity and reducing costs for banks. Ripple already has partnerships with financial institutions in 55+ countries. And as adoption grows, demand for XRP could soar. 3. Market scarcity. XRP's total supply is capped at 100 billion tokens, with Ripple holding a significant portion in escrow. This controlled release mechanism means that if demand increases, XRP's price could experience supply-driven appreciation. 4. Real-world utility. Unlike many speculative crypto projects, XRP has actual use cases in banking, payments, and remittances. With governments exploring central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, Ripple's technology could play a crucial role in the next evolution of money. The big picture, a speculative bet on the future. Cryptocurrencies like XRP are not just investments. They could be early bets on the financial infrastructure of the future. Just like we don't invest in HTTP or SMTP, the protocols powering the internet, XRP might be a proxy for a financial system upgrade that is yet to be fully realized. While it's impossible to predict the future with certainty, one thing is clear. The traditional financial system is outdated, expensive, and due for a major overhaul. Whether XRP plays a role in that transformation remains to be seen. But for now, it's definitely a cryptocurrency worth watching. What's your take? Do you think XRP has a bright future, or is it overhyped? Let's discuss in the comments below. And if you found this analysis valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights. See you next time. Ripple and XRP have had an incredible journey, overcoming legal battles, launching groundbreaking financial products, and positioning themselves at the forefront of digital finance. With Ripple's focus on compliance, real-world use cases, and strategic moves like its stablecoin launch and potential ETF, it's clear that the company is playing the long game. Whether XRP becomes a dominant force in global transactions remains to be seen. But the foundation is strong, and the potential is undeniable. As we navigate this ever-evolving crypto landscape, staying informed is key. If you found this breakdown insightful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and follow for more amazing content. I'll keep you updated on the latest trends, opportunities, and game-changing developments in finance and crypto. Don't miss out, hit that subscribe button and join the community. See you in the next one.